shaving it off now. Might come back on another occasion. Yes, I shaved it off, as you can see. I'm copying my, even if it's you copy my makeup, you can't copy my facial structure and DNA, unfortunately for you. I got the face from my mom, the structure, so you can't copy my mom's face. I missed the beard already, but I can just grow it out in a week. It's important to know what type of eye shape you have, and how to follow the shape of your eye when you do the eyeliner and the wings, how to make them properly. Don't adjust it to your eye type, it's more difficult to get something that looks natural, but if you're going for a style like mine, goth-like, it doesn't really matter how you do it. Just do it how you want to, I'm going to show you just simple steps. I won't show you the entire process, so it will take long. And don't forget to do this when you put on makeup too. Still shy even without my beard, man. I'm gonna try the bluish today, the bluish combinations on the shadows. I actually prefer using these tops, to properly line up the eyeshadows with the intenser. You get it's easier to control the shape of the shadows, sometimes for me than using a normal it's called brush, using two shades of blue, kind of close to being green too. My male brain doesn't really see, good nuances of color sometimes, I normally go half eye, with one eyeshadow color blend, like different variations of same color here and there, do that there and on this part here to create a more vivid effect. I also always use metallic colors because that makes you look more glamorous. I always correct mistakes by then, with the eyeliner, if it gets blended out with the shadow too much or it overlaps. But I'm just showing you, how we do the simple part, And as I said, you can't copy my face, unfortunately. I'm a 40-year-old guy with very good genetics. I'm autist. We autists tend to look very young for our age. I know a lot of autists that look like they're 25 years younger, including my family members. We all look like we're 20 years younger. I've been accused of being a vampire. This is me with sleep deprivation, no makeup, nothing, I've been asked sometimes if I'm even, an adult when I go and buy stuff without my beard. I once bought, some beer in the local liquor store, like when I was my 25-year-old something, and the driver asked me, kind of pissed off, did somebody buy it to you? And I went like, what do you mean, my brother was with me at that time, and I said, yo man, he's only 25 years old. He's not a child. And I went, what, I thought he was 16, he said. That was when I was like 25, Yeah, start by doing these ridiculous lines, then I just adjust them to the shape of my eye sockets, combined with the eyebrow, and make them into my own. The ones I usually use, the gothic ones. Actually, the hardest part of the makeup to me is making this, the eyebrows don't look higher up than my real eyebrows. As you can see, I try to blend in the real eyebrows with my eyeshadow and the foundation, so it doesn't show so much, because I don't want to, shade them. I like having them when I'm not having makeup on. I sort of use the same type of technique for most of my signature makeups. I use different, of course, black or red or different variations, but it's always similar. Sometimes I do the wings more inclined upwards, but I usually follow my eye shape because it makes it look more aesthetic, because it's more symmetric. I mean, it's more shaped after my eye form, so. I don't use false lashes because my natural eyelashes are very long. My ex-girlfriends used to be jealous of them actually. Just in case. Always correct mistakes, Of someone with these guns, I sure can make delicate pencil movements. Want to put on the foundation now. I think I'm at least kind of might see some errors I need to fix the last touch, And this is a foundation I use. It's some kind of Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. It's quite cheap here in Sweden. And the box. I don't use expensive makeup. The stuff I use is like this mascara here is like $5 or something like that. It's not the expensiveness of makeup actually, it's how you apply it. And just working on technique, like everything else, grinding. You have to grind the makeup to grind like your muscles. It's actually the first time I'm trying out this type, Devil Lumineux. I never can pronounce things now. I'm speaking in reverse too because I'm brain fog. It's the Wet n Wild mark. I use this type of foundation. Then I just put on some powder. I never do anything else. I don't use, the stuff others do. I don't use contouring much, because I have very visible cheekbones. And you can see my cheekbones are very visible. Look at this from this angle. I don't use that. I just contour around here to pronounce my cheek, my jawline, because it disappears completely with the foundation. Use a lot of these smearing, you know. Have to make the final touches always. You know? I sometimes blend darker types of lipstick with lip gloss that is red and makes it more. You will see how it looks. Yeah, I'm practically done. All that's needed now is the wig and the flex. The queen is back. The hair is messed up, I haven't fixed the wig up properly, you know. Yeah, I'm done. I'm more fixing about the clothes and stuff. From this mode, shed like dude, to queen mode. The completed look. Make sure you're in good light too. And I don't use fake boobs, fake tits. I gain my tits by lifting, working out. It's my pecs. Like I shown you in the beginning of the video, I have really big bolo pecs. And I'm still that bearded guy in the beginning of the video. The spirit.